I'm Alice Lucas with Beach Scraps, and this is my brand new Secret Not Secret Club kit that Christina sent me. It was my birthday last week, and I had asked her to send me a kit with lots of yellow, which is my favorite color, and sunflowers, which is my signature flower, as the girl in Steel Magnolias said about pink. Yellow is my signature color, and my signature flower are sunflowers. The first thing I saw when I opened it was this beautiful Nouveau paste in a gold. That'll be fun. It's called Glacier Paste Golden, and then it has a number. Okay, I'll put that aside. And of course, she sends everything wrapped in this beautiful tissue paper, which I love to use on my pages. Now, let's see what she's got all wrapped up in my package. Oh my goodness, this is going to be fun. I don't want to mess up the tissue paper any more than I have to. But there's a lot of tape on it. Oh, here we go. Ugh, let go. There we go. Wow. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Sunflowers. The first thing I see, sunflowers. I got to turn off some light and see if that helps it not be quite so glary. Yeah, that's not such a glare, and you can see what I'm doing. Let's see. I want to turn it so. Oh well. I can't turn it so that it looks like it does for me. I'm just learning how to do these videos, so you guys have to be patient with me. This is the first one I've been brave enough to put up on Facebook. I still haven't learned how to edit, so what you see is what you get. Look! Oh my goodness, look at all the fun stuff. Oh my gosh. Look at this gorgeous sunflower cut file. 1, 2, 3 sunflower cut files. Aren't they beautiful? I'm so excited. I can't wait to use them. And look at this cut file. It's got a sunflower on it too, even though it is a heart. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to look at first. There's so much in here. Oh look. She found, oh look at these beautiful cards with the sunflowers on them. Oh my goodness. She said she had fun finding all the sunflower stuff for me. Oh, she found some stickers of sunflowers, some beautiful gold letters that have phrases on them. I think I'll save that little bag for last because it's kind of like a package. Ooh, foliage bits and pieces from Autumn Splendor, Simple Stories. Ooh, that's got some sunflowers in it too. I'm a crazy girl. Sunflowers and yellow. Oh my goodness. Look how cute. Beautiful autumn colors. It makes sense that I would love yellow and sunflowers, since those are colors of autumn. These are more like the little marguerites that grow on the beach here in Florida. I love them. They're always smiling at me when I go down to the water. I want to find some more of the, oh, there's a sunflower. Beautiful leaves. There's another sunflower. Pumpkins, bees, all kinds of beautiful leaves. Since I was born in October, if I didn't go for all this stuff, it really would be I would be an oddball, definitely. Ooh, how exciting. I'm going to have a great time using all those up. Wonderful. Now to go with the paste, looks like she sent me, ooh, there's 2 stencils, oh, 3 stencils in here. Plus, don't you just love Vicky Bouton's packaging? I mean, I'm going to cut that out and use it on a page. I mean, that's just me. Can't stand to throw anything away. And if you could see how much stuff I've got in this room, you would die laughing at me saving something. Oh, look how pretty that is. Sunflowers. And there's a honeycomb. Isn't that pretty? Oh, and there's a beautiful, beautiful words for me to put on my pages. Oh, that's going to be so much fun with that gold paste and that beautiful paper there. Now, what else did I get? Oh, she sent me a white stickers. It says Memento white, and that'll be perfect with my yellow. It won't look odd. And then, oh, look how pretty. Sunflowers and yellow and blue, my favorite combination. Oh, wow. This is from Graphic 45, the Dreamland collection. I love it. Once upon a time, about in 2002, I opened my own scrapbook store. Unfortunately, in 2010, I closed it because I found out I could not make a living, and I spent my husband's inheritance trying to keep it open. But I had a great time while it lasted. Look at this. This is all from, these 2 are from the Graphic 45's Dreamland collection. Aren't they pretty? Look at that. Oh my goodness, such fun. And this is another Graphic 45 that has beautiful sunflowers on it. It's called the Garden Goddess collection. My daughter used to take voice lessons from this wonderful guy that you all know without knowing that you know him. His name is Dan Truitt, and he played the part of Rolf, the singing Nazi, in The Sound of Music. He was her voice teacher. And every week when I drove her to her appointment, we passed this field of sunflowers. And she had to keep me in the car so that I didn't get out and go pick me some. She said, Mama, you can't do that. It wouldn't be right. Oh, here's a beautiful paper from the Autumn Splendor line that goes with that packet of ephemera that she gave me. Oh, and that's pretty on the back, too. Yellow and red is one of my other, well, between yellow and blue and yellow and red, those are my favorite combinations of colors, even though I don't really scrapbook that much with it. This one may be harder for you to see. This is yellow, and it just has little checks. And ooh, that's pretty on the back of it. This is Studio 40, and it's called Daydream. And this side is called Sunshine. Looks like sunshine. And here's cut apart cards from that same collection, Daydream. Beautiful. Oh, that's pretty. That quilted diamonds. And then here's another beautiful yellow. Let's see. It is from Vicky Bouton, Wildflowers and Honey. You know, I haven't gotten anything from that line yet. Oh, good. Here's another one that goes with it. A honeycomb with beautiful flowers behind it. Oh, and a black on the back. Probably won't use the black. I'll probably go with this. I love color. Black, never been my color. But I love all this other stuff. And this is beautiful. All the yellow will go beautifully on that. And look, this is another one with the wildflowers and honey. It's got bees on the back of it. Oh my gosh. Now, this was a $50 kit. I felt like I could not afford to spend more than that on myself for my birthday. I really shouldn't spend anything because I've got so much stuff from 2002 until now that I'll never ever run out of supplies. Maybe adhesive, but nothing else. Now let's see. Aw, some yellow buttons. 4 pretty yellow buttons. No, 5, excuse me. Of course, I should have known that she would not give me anything in a... Oh, and Sunflower Flight. I think that's what it says. Yeah, Sunflower Flight from Spiegelmung Scraps. Now, I love sequins. I put sequins on every one of my layouts. And here's 2 more, no, 3 more of these beautiful cards from that Graphic 45 collection. Love them. Oh my goodness. Happy birthday to me. Now I can't wait to get started on this. I also have to learn how to talk before I start doing this regularly. Anyway, thank you all for joining me, and we'll see if this makes it to YouTube. Thanks again. Bye.